In every good evening, my viewers. Invite your friends. Invite your friends. Share the video. Let's discuss together. May we talk today concerning our kings about the thing when be say it dey happen for Africa. The pains when our governors, our councillors, our kings, the pains when they citizens. This is the time for us to speak out, so that them too they go still learn from us. They go still change their mind. May we still beg God to change their mind, so that minds to they handle the cases of their indigenes. For example, like in Africa, you no get right to question anybody when e be say e dey on top. You no get right at all, no matter what. If you just talk, they will just disappear you. Maybe they will kill you, or they will take you to prison, or they will put allegation on your head. Not only waiting the sabi do be that. And that thing they very, very bad. It dey bad. Because that who you dey lead, if maybe the people when be say that they around you, who you dey lead, if maybe the people when be say that they under you. So now those people when be say you dey lead, now you supposed to they calm them, they give them sense, they teach them, they talk to them, they communicate with them. Anytime when it be say anything they, so that all of them go agree together. Una go join hands, stay build in our community. Una go join hands, stay build in our states. But some of our leaders, their own case not be like that. Once it be say they don't dey on top, you when it be say you not get level, you not get anything, you not get money, you come from poor home or anything, or maybe you work when you dey work, you not get level, you no go fit talk anything. Immediately you talk, they will just try to shut you up. And that thing they affect we Africans too much. It they affect us too much. Because for example now, some like kings now for village, just king. If you see wetin kings they do, some of them self, when even people when they walk, they follow them. I don't use my eye to see, and maybe say they tell me, they not tell me, they not send me, they not call me for phone, they explain to me. They go just go like store where they for they say something. They go pack everything when they want, everything when they need. Now so they go pack them, and they not go pay. They go tell you say they not go pay, say you not get wetin you go do. Is that fair? Person when they say that thing, he get enough money in the fine, in they pay his store, in they pay light bill, in they feed the children. He get many old problem when he be saying they solve. And upon all these things, when he be all these kings that they do, all these president that they do, they know they help their citizen for anything. No help, no ayuto from from the elders of your town or from the leaders of your country. There is no help anywhere in Africa, and that thing we need to stop them. Because this money, after everything, wetin I wan use and do? Wetin I wan use and do? E get some kind villages when e be say you go reach, some kind places when e be say you go reach. Kings go they even he go collect the whole land. He go just meet you, tell you say that land he need am. You no get wetin you go talk. If you don't talk, come out na problem. And he go collect and he no go give you, he no go compensate you. Nothing. And those leaders too, they go still get connection to do business with the outsiders, maybe with the white people, or maybe from Chinese people. Make decision together with their community, with their indigenes, with their people. They no go take agreement together from them. They go like make them they do the one when they for their mind. Because why? Because they see some money they involved, and that money now, if money come in, they no go use them on their people. Only just chucking the money put for pocket. It dey very, very bad. How can we move on like that? How? Charity begins at home. If we with the Christ, other people they treat us bad, what about where we come from? What about our parents, our leaders, our kings? How are they treating us? You people also need to treat us good. Una need to show good example to the world, so that then too they go still use that good mind to follow us. Because if you see am now, if you go to maybe prison, if you go to court, if you go to any place to save level, you not get money, you not get level, the case will be against you. They go put that case, put am for your head. They go put everything for your head. Person will be say you get money, all those people when they on top, and then when be say now them be the leaders, they know say all those things no good, they know say na bribe, they know say na bad thing, but they no go care. They go collect that money, put am for their pockets. They go send their people go the suffer. It's very, very bad. I watch one video today where they talk say even one king self, he sent police people go pursue one man when he be say they fine. Make it, they go bring the man. They throw the man from upstairs, first story building. They throw the man from that place to where and put for down. This man die. The people, the dead body, put am for inside tipper, inside truck, go dump am for the king domot. Is that fair? You won't be king. How can you solve issues if you cannot solve a little matter that concerns you and another person? How you go tell judge other people if you know they judge your own matter well? That kind of thing you get as it be. Because nobody now get trust again, either to go carry matter go king palace, or to even take matter go court. All those things, if you not get money, you no go fit. You no go fit. People when they prison today, now innocent people, now then they for prison for Africa. The people when it be say they get level, they get money, they do the bad thing. Those ones they know they for prison for Africa. Now one finger they will just pay. Every case just close like that. Is that fair? How we go to move forward? Una when be the leaders, when it be say una children still bring out any opinion to see out, join wetin una they do to still give una sense. Moment and see they try to listen to all those una children. If you see Igbo country today, that they even they like to students, that they interview them, they see the people and be say this thing when this king they president they do, is it good? Do you like the president? Is it okay? What do you want the president to be doing? What do you want the governor to be doing? They go interview those small children. The small children go tell them, say, look at it now, this one that we want jangilova, we want make we dey go school, we want make we dey okay. Then they go put all that sense, they go use and they work. But for our place, if you talk, they will say you you shut up, say you be small pikin, you not get level, you not get mouth to talk. It's very, 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 very bad. Our leaders need to stop all those injustice when they come upon us for Africa. Maybe they get pity mind. For example, I just thank God for what he do for the body of Cross River State when it bring out the best and one of the best governor in Africa come out from that city. You see, that man a person maybe say he get sympathy. You know, if you see indigenous, if you see citizens say that they suffer, he go like to help them. You know, they eat only him, make he only him eat enter house. But many of all of them get houses everywhere. All those money when I need to use to develop the city, the country, una not go use one. Una go just they dump that money for only una. At last, all those things they are of no use. Of no use. You as a king, you go get 100 houses. Why the village where you they stay? No roads to enter that village. No lights for your village. No school for your village. No good school for your village. No even good hospital. No help for anybody for your village. No scholarship. But only you will just carry all those things. And you will be praising yourself that people should be respecting you as a king. Yes, they will respect you as a king, but king is not like that. God went there for heaven, now he creates king, now he send them. So that they go still be leaders to their people. They control them. They show them way, they go stand for them, they go fight for them. But African kings and presidents, governors, councillors, all and so on, they are not like that. It's very, very bad. It's very, very bad. If una when this on a day on top, una they do like that, wetin I want make small children do. Now because of all those una characters, now not even spoil the children when be say they dead down. Because when they now they go sit down, they go see say now who no get level. Now they fall into the club, they make everybody get level. Yes. Now wetin they happen be that. They go try and make everybody get level so that wetin go happen make it happen. If it clack, then everybody go know where he did. This time now, maybe time of before when it be say you go look small pikin, you say best shut up, you be small. No, not be like that this time. This time even small pikin say if you get money, they even they talk. They talk for where king dey. Or no, I go see people when it be say now bad things now they do to take make their money. You know go consign you know. But now I go to give them chieftaincy title. Now I go they lift them up. Now go the once they don't give them money, now soon I'll just carry them. I'll just put that title for you. What are you eating title? Title when you take build your village or when you take build your city, when you take bring scholarship, when you take bring work, take on the when you take build university con there. Now waiting they collect title for or waiting, I don't know. I'll just they terrorize the indigenous for the whole time. I go they find people when it be said that they thief far. When the village money save they for no hand, now go leave them. There are some kind village when it be say the whole land when they for that village you cannot talk. Any place when the king say now there now you want now there they go, you don't have any mouth to say anything. Is that fair? How can you live tomorrow? How can you continue to take care of your family, to take care of your children? You have as at least the only hope, the only thing that you inherited in your life from your king, from the person you call your leader. How can you move on? How can you have the good mind to be a good person in that city? Your mind will change. You will turn to vampire. Everything will just be messed up. So now when people will be the kings, I beg, and they talk softly, they terrorize my children. Make una learn sense from Cross River State governor, especially governors. All these governors and councillors, because you know say president there for the whole country. I said it before in my other videos. President na person will be say the whole country there for his head. But when it be say na be the governors, the councillors, any chair when it be any post when it be say they give you, any leader when you be now not supposed to they put things in order. When I go put things in order for our place, anything one I won't bring from our city, I go talk to the president, I go talk to the governor, I go sit down together with our village people. Then they go help una bring that for our land. But if you not care to bring good thing come for our land, only what you not care for now to just they collect from the poor people, now to they oppress the poor people when they done. How can God bless? How can God bless that kind of country? How can God bless that kind of continent? If you see the kind of money when our presidents, our governors, they go, they tell you, say, now those ones, now be say that they spend for only their own expenses. Maybe say that they use and they give anybody, they know they use and they donate for any group of, maybe orphanage group or whatsoever. They know they use and they give scholarship. Now the one that they spend for their body and their money don't reach you know to develop on our country. Gosh, it don't reach now. You don't reach. Una go carry all that money now come up for Africa. For Africa you go hotel. Even 20 euro, 10 euro you go fit get hotel, 50 euro you go fit get hotel. The hotel say if it too cost, maybe they go they stay. Like let me just call like Legend or all those big hotel. It get the one day for lag. That one if it too cost now 100 and something euro. That one if you see this hotel, that kind of hotel if you not there for Europe. cheap. But una when be the president, una no go like to dey stay for all those kind places for vacancy. At least carry you go vacancy for other city, for other of your continent, other country for Africa. Make the money when I spend, make the money dey for Africa. Una no go gree. Una carry that money. If una go Europe now or go America, go rent hotel. Being you as a king or as a whatsoever, the chair, the post when they go, the hotel when they go, when you go carry, maybe na 1,000 euro for a night. Una go just waste almost 800 and something for nothing sake, for just one day, for nothing sake. And take build in a country. If you didn't build Africa, who will build that? Una maybe the leaders now need to call together, now need to sit down, discuss, bring things when they be say una need. Bring the things when I need for una country go dey progress. People go dey come dey do vacancy for our country. They go dey come dey do holiday for there. Why not? Why not? Europeans, Americans, all those ones, they like to go Africa. They like to go Africa too much. They like to they stay their country. But no, not like to even they come here. Okay, now make una even still at least build in our country so that then to go they come there for holidays. Then to go they vacancy. So that all those money it go they see they stay for our country. But no, the money one they make for our country, the one when be say they come out for Africa, they enter European continent or American continent or even China, all those Asia side. It too much. The money plenty. All those money don't reach you to build on a home. So that you go leave the innocent people alone. So that you go leave the poor people alone. All those land when they collect for them, maybe you go make una they rich. Now they rich already. You not get capital to do business. You not get money to bring estate, to bring many things come on our land. So it's very good if you not get the mind to do that kind of thing. Only people when be say that they get all this experience, that they bring all those good things, they come for Africa. Now people when be say God touch their mind, and people when be say they don't stay for outside African continent. When it be say they don't want chop alone, they see good things for outside and they won't carry and come their place. Now those people now then they do small work for Africa. If not, all of them, some of them won't be leaders. Now zero. Only waiting to know on our own. Some people when be say they be bastard millionaire for Africa. We get enough people when be say they get money. People there for Africa when be say they be bastard millionaire there. But they not go use this money to grow, make it they bring more. They go they use and they buy cars, expensive cars, expensive. All those cars when they buy now, not be for business. So. Now just to the dump and private, just to the enter inside, maybe once in a week or once in a month. What is the need? What is the need of all that? If you see Oyibo go get even na one car you get. If you too much get money, say you go see maybe like 2 cars. And all those cars they use them till they work. It's not just they enter inside, just they park and they come out, they show himself, they take pictures. No. The worst ones when he go get all na for business. Money when one African person it buy one car, he go rich am. They buy more than, let me say 100 cars self. Let me say 50 buses. They put for the street. Better bus. When it be say you go enter inside, breeze go they blow you. Maybe that kind of suffer ones when they car, the ones where they don't abandon for Europe. Now that one now they push they go as. All those ones when Europe say no, they don't need them again. Now those ones no they carry. But when I get the money when I go take they buy better one. They put up make more money they come. Dangote today, if Dangote use the money they buy 100 all those expensive cars. When they call maybe Porsche, buy this one, buy that one. Dangote for not be the person when he be today. And you know how many people when we say Dangote they rescue in life? Millions of people. Because all those people now that they work, that they see food, that they give their children. Their family they okay. even though say not too much, at least small. Now wetin we need for Africa, make una grow Africa, make we grow am together. Una wey be the leaders, make una no dey let things dey difficult for una people. Especially if you go some markets now, you go see person go dey sell groundnut, they go see dey tax you money. I don use my eye see am. Person go dey sell small thing, go share small thing, they go dey tax am money. And if you don't give them the money, some say they go throw away all that your goods. Tell me, maybe na your last card now you take buy that thing now. Make your children, your family for still see wetin they go eat. But all those leaders, they go come, they go throw away. You know you tie your belly. Maybe now for your farm self, now you for even bring all those fruits self, come sell, so that you make am, you still see food take chop. But no, they go throw away. And if you even see where they ask of all this tax self, now that one they vex me pass. Now that one they vex me pass. At least, if you want, make person even at least they pay tax. I don't talk am before you get the kind of money when you go they get before you go feed they pay tax. And secondly, if you pay tax, make sure say everything is okay for that person to do his or her business, so that he can make it to get that tax to pay you. For example, many places for Africa road no dey. How you want to work? If rain fall, sometimes for inside market, your goods, everything fit even spoil. You no go even see where you go shade. If you wear better clothes, go everything go dirty. I been a car with a talk. If you drive your car go there, sef, maybe na mechanic now you go come here, you come push and go back. You go dey work for store, maybe na pen and now you dey barb, or you dey grant something now. Before you know, lights don't go. You go there, you no go fit grant that thing again. Maybe for the whole day self, maybe for some hours. Now so you go there. Or how you want to pay tax? How? If una want to make everything dey okay, make una start am small. Start am little by little. The first thing, make una plan how una go take bring come on our place. This time now maybe say we go just dey find how we go take buy we transformer, buy 100 transformer, buy million transformer, come fix. No. This time they get solar light. That one you will put am on top of your decking, on top of your zinc, and that light na sun na dey charge am. Especially Africa now, when you be say Africa gets sun well. If you go many countries in Africa, now waiting that they use be that. That sun go charge that light. You no go pay light bill at all. Once you don't buy and fix am for your house, na so you go just dey make sun just dey come. If the sun come, the amount of the sun, the heat, na so the thing go take full the battery. As na so you go take charge, the current go dey. That current when go dey go even let you use for many days sef before another light sun. Every day sun they come out na Africa we dey now. People wey even dey Europe they use and talk less of Africa. Una need to dey buy those ones. If not the one when it be say some villages, if not king, una leaders go fit make they contribute the money. Even ask una government they get their own budget. Make they support una, bring something come out. Make una take buy that thing. If you go, for example, now, let me say for Italy. If you go Italy now, you go see say for their farm, they get that is land when it be say they build all those solars. Those solars, so when they build for that their camp, so now they supply light to many of their communities. So now go collect better land, big land when it be say na our own. Even now go buy am or now get am all the same. The land when they collect from our people, if not they tell them they use all those land now, till they put light, they fix light, or they do better, they no go talk. But now go collect those land, now go use and they build on our own. Now no go use and develop the country. So now need all those land. If you now collect all those land from our people, all they contribute all those land, all my buyer, we go build solar lights put. If we build all those solar put, it go dey supply each village light. Una no need to go inside water, go first go drag and now again like before when I dey think say if not transformer dey, una go wire the whole street, see as electric e dey shock everybody, everything, the even sockets for inside house you go even dey fear to on anything because na so go just make fire everywhere. Una no need all those things, all those rope when I go dey tie for the whole country, the whole village, the whole houses. Person no go see road pass. You go even carry big motor sef, pole light go even dey draw you down. Winches go even dey see where they for the perch. That time they no see where they go perch again. So una understand. So all those solar lights dey good. Una need am. Una communities need am. Make una dey buy better motor, better taxi, put for road. Una road make una repair am. Leaders, our kings, our governors, our presidents, when I help them do their roads, because the accidents when they happen for Africa is too much. The first problem of all these accidents na roads. The second problem is light. The third problem is driving license. Now wetin dey cause all these accidents for Africa? No road, no light. Even if the weather dey dull or if na night sef, light not dey. Driving license, only few na dem get. You go see person wey be say dey drive bus when e be say e go carry more than 60 or 100 people, but that person no get driving license. He no even know if motor spoil wetin he go press, how when he go make am push. He no even know how to even pass another car, how to overtake. He no know the right side to even overtake. He no even get the car sef no even get any document. I been our police now we go talk. All those ones na yawa. That they put their road up each 1 second, that be 1 minute. They know they even they search car sef. They know they even they ask you how are you when they will ask you. Now your money. If you not bring that money put for their hand, now you say you don't find their trouble, they go just hold you down there. Now that time they ask you, say waiting you carry, waiting there for your motor, waiting there this one. Now money now they find. Once you done, they give them that daily pay. Now so they will stop you, give them your pass, give them your pass, give them your pass. Whether that person carry dead body, you no consign them again. How can Africa survive like that? How we go? I want to get space. Let me just fix it up. How we go to survive like that? So I dey beg una when be the kings, on our leaders, make una help us. Make una help us arrange the country. Make una not dey intimidate us again. Make una help us grow Africa. Because the pains when African people that they bear too much, the suffer alone say for the country go even make you they find where you go put your head. The suffer alone. You go market na suffer, you go farm na suffer, you dey house na suffer, no rest of mind everywhere. How can we make it, African leaders? Please, I dey beg una. Men are not dey intimidate my children again. Men are take care of them and na be their king. Na them na they rule. If na kill all of them, who na go rule again? Everybody go dey use bad eyes. They follow una. Person no get mouth to talk. Poor people na then they die. Na then they waste. Nobody to talk for them. You go see some women sef. They go even collect their land. They go collect everything when they get. They go nobody. Oh God, it's too much nah. Men are watching now. It's too much. I beg. It's too much. Men are reason now. Now be the head when. Now be the head when supposed to build Africa. If now look at those kings for Europe, London kings, so UK kings, so Belgium kings, so that they give their hands, Spain kings, so that they give all of their hands. Maybe all those kings, then maybe them come Africa, country for no money. Now those kings, them now them come fight, go find out their citizens, go to survive. See today, now be the respect when they give them. Queen this one, king this one, king this one, now the work when they do. They not kill their people. If also they kill their people, that's their name. If not the rain reach today. One day everybody go die. Nobody go there for this earth continually. But the main thing be this: if you not say you be king, you be president or anything where you be, remember say now your country, now your village, now your land, now you there for, so that your land go continue reach tomorrow. You don't go forget your lineage. They no go forget your kingship. They no go forget your land. So that the future go dey better for your citizens. But if una come dey suffer everybody today, how our children, when we be say we dey give birth, how they will take survive tomorrow? How can our children, our future children, our children, how can they survive it? If we not fix all those things now, everything is now getting out of hand. How can our children survive it in the future? If you look Africa now, every day is going down, 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 down. Nothing is working, even up till now. We not go fit just there, they shout, they talk, they shout, they talk. Let's start from somewhere. Anybody, any brain when you bring come out, now something it be. Now very important something now it be. It go fit save life. It go rescue life. It go save people. Make una they bring all those things come out. Assist them. Make una assist una citizens, una people. Make una they hear their cry when they cry to una. Make una get pity mind. Make una go they build hospitals for them. Build schools so that the children go fit go school. Make una they give scholarship. Make una they go some schools. They go they look for intelligent children. Those ones, when I say they intelligent, they don't get person to sponsor them. Make una they stand. They help those people, our leaders. Make una they do am. So that tomorrow una go get better leader when be say go they lead us. Those people they will grow, come out to be a good leader tomorrow. Now wetin we want be that. Because the funniest problem in Africa is illiteracy. Many they not go school. Many people not go school. Maybe say they not get the talent. They get the talent. They are naturally talented with enough good destiny, but there is no knowledge to push it out. To push it out, nothing. Even income not there. Because at least if you get the money safe, you go still try to go school small. But many of them say they go they intelligent, they go there for school, but they not go see who go sponsor them go forward. Because of condition, because of situation, they will just come down from there. They will branch, they will stop school from there. Now they will start rolling around on the streets, trying to survive, trying to cope, trying to help their family. How can we continue in this way? We cannot. If you look, African people are the most intelligent people in this world. African people are so intelligent. No matter anywhere where you call them, any work at all. We are supposed to they help my people. Men I support them, men I give them leg. I beg. Our leaders, men are not they oppress my people again. Nobody is above the law. But for nothing say na make the law and they dey against the law and they above. Nobody is against the law. But now come they twist everything now. They do everything for our own favor, not on the favor of our children. You get as it be, it's so heartbroken. It's so heartbroken and so painful. Because I don't see any way when we go to move forward in this kind of way. When we go to be enemy of our own self. When it be so now we go to kill ourselves. Papa go to keep picking. Now so it be now. Where your president, your governor, your king they kill. Now so it be. Man, they listen to our people. I beg. I take God beg. So now so my matter just reached today. When I share this message, any small one when they go still pick for inside, when they pick and make it for work for us. Those of now when get money, when they reach, I beg. If na houses you they build, not just leave all those houses empty. Not leave them empty. The ones when you go use that one. The one where you see say nobody, they put them for business. If the money see they come, you go still they let you still they do another business again. Before you go know, the community go develop. Make una know they buy 100 cars, go they lock for inside gates. Nobody they drive them. All those engines they knock. If you not drive car for how many years, you go knock. If you see like especially our people when we say no dey Europe, I know say some of them not even afford. because the condition sef sometimes to even go Africa, some people say they fit stay here many years to go Africa. Maybe say they no get the money go even dey. Some say they no get the money, some they go still get the money, because to go Africa e no cost anything. E no cost anything. Go draw and flow when you go. If you no even see money to buy direct, you go buy the one they go Morocco, or when they go Dubai, or when they go anywhere, e go drop you where they go. Now the same country now you they go. Some self maybe the money be their problem, but they know they get that chance to go, or maybe one thing or the other. And wetin they go do now, they will just build a house, keep for there. Nobody there for the house. Nobody they use the house, not even for business. All those ones are liability. Tomorrow that house go get problem when you be say you go don't see the old, don't see the spoil. How we want to repair am if money not there? So those of now when get all those opportunity, when get all those houses, men and make sure so now put all into business, so that the problem go still dey low for una too go still settle down small. And especially the ones when buy cars, lock put for inside their garden, or their gates, or anywhere front of their house. Abeg, all those cars, if na the one when go fit do taxi, men na use and do taxi, make it dey bring money. If na road na be the problem, make una start am. Person go fit come out, you go fit say yes, this street and all. Like I don see one man the other day I dey watch am sef from Delta State. The man dey come, he say yes, he see the road, the street, he say he no like am, because na there they follow the enter in house. So you need to mobilize people now, try make how they go take do that road. And they do that road, very long road. So now someone need to they do small. If you see the road when you say they go that your mansion when you build keep, that your big house when you say they for Africa since nobody they use them. Make una they repair those roads. Those houses put them for rent. Those cars put them for road, make it they make money. So that African people go they develop. Our problem when we say Africa, we say we too like to they show big. We too like big thing. Instead of us to use that money to do business, you know, say if they do business, the business go they bring another money, you go bring another income. But we not go down, we go feel too big. Say we don't big pass to do business, we don't do big pass to sell this one, we don't do big pass to open store. We don't. No, you don't big pass anything. You na lead na what I want call her. Now leader you even be safe. Yes. Now leader you be. Now manager you be. Now director the oga you be. Imagine now if you get, maybe you pack your 3 cars for house, now you put those your 3 cars for road. Imagine for 1 year waiting those 3 cars go buy for you. Now something it be. Our leaders make una they help us, make una they support us, so that things go the day easy for us. And waiting I take beg una. All those presidents when it be said that they spend their country money, make una stop them, because they go calculate them for una. That is why I like Europe sometimes for the something of their presidency, everything. Anything when you they do, they must get somebody when it be say he go they give them every details of every. They give you money for vacancy, they go no send a vacancy, you go vacancy, they go know how much they will give for vacancy. You no get right to tell the country say you need 5,000 euro to go vacancy because you be president. Who are you? That if you try and for Europe, the next day that presidency you no go, you know, there for that chair again, because they go let you know say as you be president now when you they go with that 5,000. What do you say make your children when they done do? If everybody collect them for 5,000, how the country go there? Men are stand, men are build Africa so that we go fit collect our things. Our credit when these people hold us, our things when they thief, even the one when they see the thief up till now, because up till now they see they come the thief first. So that now go open on our eyes, make una start to they betray on ourselves, Africa people. Instead, when I go talk to our citizens to get that call to do business with outsiders, una no go do am because of bribe. Una only una go do that plan within only una. Something of when supposed bring income for the government. When government supposed even collect tax for inside, say the country go use and grow. The people self go no say yes, the things cost pass like this because of saying a thief. Na corner na won't do one. Una will just put the money low. Una go dash them all those things. They will just carry go. Una go there with that money alone. Una no go spend 1 kobo on una people. e get as e be. Men don hear the voice and the cry of my children. I take God to beg. Na so I rest my case today. Una try, sha. Una try. Men don help me share this message. Make it for still reach their brain, so that they go still mellow down. No say na we. Forget say I come from royal home. I know that I'm from royal home. It's true. That is why we need to stand up and speak out, so that all those people in the royal houses, all those leaders too, they go know say king, leaders, not be to commit bad, not be to maltreat your people, not to build your home, not to build your country, not to build your place. Thank you all for watching, and may God bless you. See you all next time. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Harmless TV. Tomorrow is Sunday. Tomorrow, be here live with me. We are going to dance. You understand? You remember my music titled My Heart. Tomorrow we are going to dance my music. If you need that music, you can go to my YouTube channel. You can have that music. Always play it with your loved one. Every problem will disappear. Thank you all, and may God bless you. Remain blessed. Ciao.